How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly fix the problem with Instagram where you can't see the option to delete a post or a media file. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So normally the setting or this problem would come up when your account configuration is not set up to your personal account. So what I mean by that is if you guys are running two profiles under one Instagram account, one being the personal account and the second one being a business account, that's probably the reason why you don't see an option to delete a post on your Instagram. So to show you guys what I mean, and as you mentioned, the steps here should work for both the Instagram application on your phone as well as the browser site, which I'm on right now. So like I said, you guys want to make sure that you're on the correct account configuration. So when you click on more on the bottom left corner of your screen, you should see right away that there's an option that says switch accounts. So you actually have two options here. Normally this window wouldn't pop up. What would be said is the business account as well as your personal account. So you want to make sure that you've selected the personal account to use for your Instagram profile. So once you've had that going for you, you simply want to navigate to your activities, or your activity I should say, and navigate to photo and videos, and you should see all of your posts here as normal. So when you go to select each post that you want to delete, it's quite simple. You just want to highlight the post that you want to delete and click on delete. And yeah, that's honestly it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do gadgets like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.